Hello everyone, my name is Pran Kishore Matto, a student of IIT Kharagpur. My roll number is 21CE10044. This is my DIY project. This is basically a burglar alarm. This is Arduino. These are the wires of different colors. The red and green ones are for standard positive and negative. This blue ones for input and this yellow for output. This is LED which is connected to collector of a transistor. This is buzzer which is connected to transistor and which further connects to the pin number 8 of this Arduino. This is PIR sensor which detects the signal, and this is connected to pin number 7 of the Arduino. As soon as signal is detected by this sensor, this buzzer starts making sound and the bulb also glows. To stop the sound, we press this push button. Let me show you the code. When pin number 7 is high, then pin number 8 is also high and LED is also set to high. Pin number 4 is also is high, then pin number 8 is set to low and LED is also set to low. Just a second. Let me start simulation. You can observe the sound is coming from the buzzer and LED is also glowing. Now the sounds stop. You can get the text version of this code also. Here is the text version. I hope you find this video interesting and you enjoyed a lot. Thanks.